Have you ever stopped and asked yourself how something as small, dusty, and ordinary as a peanut ends up powering factories, filling grocery shelves, feeding millions, and quietly sitting inside oil bottles, creamy jars, and crunchy snacks all around the world? It usually starts in silence, far away from cities, where peanut fields stretch flat and endless under a hot sky. And farmers wait not for a calendar date, but for a feeling, a look in the leaves, a dryness in the soil that tells them the moment has arrived, because peanuts don't grow above ground like most crops. They hide beneath the dirt, clinging to their roots like secrets. And when harvesting begins, massive digger shakers roll forward, slicing under the soil, lifting entire plants upside down, shaking loose earth back to the ground while the peanuts hang exposed to air for the first time, drying slowly in the sun, day after day, not rushed, because rushing ruins flavor, ruins oil content, ruins everything. And once dried just right, combines sweep through, stripping the pods from vines, pulling thousands of pounds every minute, filling trailers that rumble toward processing plants where the real transformation begins. And inside those facilities, the smell changes, raw and nutty, warm and earthy, as peanuts are dumped, cleaned, screened, stones kicked out, stems tossed away, shells cracked with sharp mechanical precision that somehow still feels gentle, and kernels race along conveyors like they know where they're going, some headed for roasting tunnels where heat builds slowly, controlled, exact, turning pale nuts into golden brown powerhouses of aroma and taste, popping softly, oils waking up inside, while others are pressed cold or hot depending on destiny, crushed under enormous pressure until clear amber oil flows out, filtered again and again until smooth. Light, shelf-ready, used for cooking, frying, flavor, while the leftover peanut meal doesn't die there. No, it becomes feed, protein, fuel for another system. Nothing wasted, ever. And somewhere else in the plant, roasted peanuts drop into grinders. Steel against steel, spinning fast, turning solid into liquid without adding a single drop of water. Just friction and time, thick paste forming, glossy, heavy, then salt sometimes. Sugar, maybe stabilizers, depending on brand. Blended until creamy or left chunky, jars filled at machine speed, but checked by human eyes. Because machines still miss things people feel, and nearby snack lines move louder, faster, coating peanuts in batter, spices, honey, chili, sugar, baking or frying them into shapes you recognize instantly when you tear open a bag late at night. And what's wild is how different these paths are. Oil, butter, snacks, yet all begin from the same buried pod, pulled from the same dirt shipped, from the same fields, handled by people who don't appear on labels, who work long shifts during harvest season when timing matters more than comfort, because rain can destroy a crop in hours. Humidity can change everything, and throughout this, whole chain data hums quietly in the background. Moisture sensors, weight checks, temperature logs, safety systems. But still, there's instinct involved, experience. Gut decisions made by supervisors who've been around peanuts longer than most of us have been alive, and by the time products leave the factory, boxed, sealed, coated, stacked onto pallets, rolling into trucks bound for ports, warehouses, supermarkets, they no longer look humble at all. They look polished, powerful, ready, yet every jar, bottle, and bag still carries that beginning inside it. The dirt, the sun, the waiting, the machines, the hands, the heat, the pressure, the patience. And the next time you twist open a lid or hear that snack bag crinkle, it's worth pausing just 1 second to realize this wasn't magic. It wasn't luck. It was an entire invisible world working perfectly together so something simple could arrive right when you wanted it, exactly how you like it, without you ever needing to think about how much effort it took to get there. And that quiet efficiency, that hidden scale, that's where the real story lives, long after the harvest dust settles and the machine's power down, because tomorrow it all starts again. Same fields, same process, same goal. Feeding a world that rarely looks back, but always keeps eating.